اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر وإن يروا آية يعرضوا ويقولوا سحر مستمر وكذبوا واتبعوا أهواءهم وكل أمر مستقر ولقد جاءهم من الأنباء ما فيه مزدجر.
The hour drew nigh, and the moon was rent in twain. And if they behold a portent they turn away, and say, prolonged delusion. They denied the truth, and followed their own lusts. Yet everything will come to a decision, and surely there hath come unto them news, whereof the purport should deter.
حكمة بالغة فما تغني النذر فتول عنهم يوم يدعو الداعي إلى شيء نكر خش عن أبصارهم يخرجون من الأجداث كأنهم جراد منتشر مهطعين إلى الداع يقول الكافرون هذا يوم عسير.
Effective wisdom, but warnings avail not. So withdraw from them, O Muhammad, on the day when the summoner summoneth unto a painful thing. With downcast eyes, they come forth from the graves as they were locusts spread abroad. Hastening toward the summoner, the disbelievers say, this is a hard day.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح فكذبوا عبدنا وقالوا مجنون وازدجر فدعا ربه أني مغلوب فانتصر ففتحنا أبواب السماء بماء منهمر وفجرنا الأرض عيونا فالتقى الماء على أمر قد قدر.
The folk of Noah denied before them, yea, they denied our slave, and said, a madman, and he was repulsed. So he cried unto his Lord, saying, I am vanquished, so give help. Then opened we the gates of heaven with pouring water and caused the earth to gush forth springs, so that the waters met for a predestined purpose.
وحملناه على ذات ألواح ودسر تجري بأعيننا جزاء لمن كان كفر ولقد تركناها آية فهل من مدكر فكيف كان عذابي ونذر ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we carried him upon a thing of planks and nails, that ran upon the waters, in our sight, as a reward for him who was rejected. And verily we left it, as a token. But is there any that remembereth? Then see how dreadful was my punishment after my warnings. And in truth we have made the Quran easy to remember. But is there any that remembereth?
كذبت عاد فكيف كان عذابي ونذر إنا أرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في يوم نحس مستمر تنزع الناس كأنهم أعجاز نخل منقعر فكيف كان عذابي ونذر ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
The tribe of Ad rejected warnings. Then how dreadful was my punishment after my warnings. Lo! We let loose on them a raging wind on a day of constant calamity, sweeping men away as though they were uprooted trunks of palm trees. Then see how dreadful was my punishment after my warnings. And in truth we have made the Quran easy to remember. But is there any that remember?